Today I'll show you how to install FFmpeg on Windows and add it to environment variables. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open your browser and search FFmpeg on Google. Click on the FFmpeg website, then go to the Download section. Scroll down to the Windows section and click on Windows Builds by BTBN. On the new page, find Windows 64-bit GPL and download it. Once downloaded, move the file to C and create a new folder named FFmpeg. Paste the downloaded file inside this folder. Right-click on the file and extract it. Open the extracted folder, then go inside the bin folder. Select all the files, press Ctrl and X together to cut them, go back to the FFmpeg folder and paste them there. Delete the extra folder to keep things clean. Now, let's add FFmpeg to environment variables so Windows can recognize it. Copy the path of the FFmpeg folder. Search, edit the system environment variables in Windows and open it. Click Environment Variables, find Path under System Variables, and click Edit. Click New, paste the copied path, and press OK on all windows to save changes. To verify the installation, open Command Prompt. Type FFmpeg, press Enter. If you see a list of FFmpeg commands, it's installed correctly. That's it. Now you can use FFmpeg on Windows.